G'day guys, My Urban Kitchen here again with another instalment of making food cooking look easy. So what we have here is we're going to be making a meal soup, a peri peri chicken sweet corn soup with corn chips and sour cream, which is amazing, and it's so simple to make. So some of the products we're using are here. We're using this sweet corn soup, which I happened to phone up and find out what the ingredients were. Of course, it was made in New Zealand, but I was told that all of the ingredients are New Zealand, or at least the vegetables in there are, and the chicken. And we've got sour cream, and we've got this product here. This is fully cooked, ready to eat, skinless, boneless chicken breast from some of the best quality free-range chicken in Australia from Western Australia. No preservatives, no nitrates, but this is fully cooked and it's just chicken breast. We've got some raw onions here, Spanish onions, which I've fallen in love with. It used to be spring onions with me, but I'm a big fan of Spanish onions. And I've got some cheesy corn chips. So here we have this one can that has been emptied into here. So before I start, this recipe can be done as a main course. We're using one can, or two entree serves using the one can. So all I've done was tip this can in here and heated it up. So it is nice and hot. Second of all, I'm going to put a bit of sour cream in there. Be generous. Nice blob of sour cream. And I've got some of this chicken. Okay. Nice generous amount of chicken. Make it nice and hearty. Now I've got my Spanish onions here, so I'm going to put this over here. Now the Spanish onions are very mild in flavour and add a great crunch. And now I've got my corn chips. So these corn chips can be used to dip away in it as well. But what a combination of flavours in here are amazing. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy it if you try it. So the sweet corn soup is available in most supermarkets. As is sour cream, of course. And of course the chicken we have here is available in all good quality Foodland stores, as well as all your Coles stores in South Australia and Western Australia and Northern Territory. Spanish onions, okay, ubiquitous around the place, very easy to buy, very cheap. And cheese corn chips, well, we know all about them. So it's only a few ingredients, but very simple, but taste absolutely fantastic. I've got a tip for you today, guys. If you've got knives, always keep them sharp, because you might as well be just using a nail in a piece of wood if you're going to try to cut vegetables up or meat with a blunt knife. So learn a technique. There's lots of them and plenty on YouTube on keeping a knife blade sharp, and you'll be forever happily cooking away and developing your knife skills. One of those essential skills that there is not enough of in the home, I'm sure. Okay, so thanks very much for your time, and I will catch you soon. Ciao.